Watch the everyday language equivalent of this sentence. I ran down the stairs to know what was happening. I ran down the stairs to find out what was happening. Could you provide a more authentic version of this? Two police officers visited him to find out where he had been on the night of the murder. Two police officers visited him to know where he had been on the night of the murder. To give you a more thorough understanding, consider this. Find out equals get information about something that you want to know. We need to find out why these cars have stopped selling. Watch the native speaker's choice of words here. The best way to know the city is to visit it on foot. The best way to get to know the city is to visit it on foot. Watch the natural flow for this sentence in English. When a woman goes out to work, she knows other people. When a woman goes out to work, she gets to know other people. Here's some extra context to help illustrate the point. Know equals be familiar with. I know Frankfurt very well. Get to know, become familiar with. Once you get to know her, I'm sure you'll like her. We got to know each other very well during the week we spent together. How would this be said in conversational English? I got to know the south of London very deeply. I got to know the south of London very well. To give you a more complete understanding, let me add, get to know somebody or something very well, not deeply. I know Alex very well. We used to go to the same school. Could you provide a more authentic version of this? He knew well where he wanted to go. He knew exactly or precisely where he wanted to go. Here's some additional insight into this matter. Know somebody or something well equals be fully familiar with. After living in Florence for 2 years, I know the city very well.